Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Odyssey windshield wipers. Start by lifting the wiper arm gently away from the glass until it locks. Clean the windshield and arm hinge with a cloth to remove debris. Compare the old blade to the new one to confirm length and connector type. Keep parts organized on a towel to avoid losing small clips or caps during the swap process. Begin removal by locating the release tab at the blade arm junction and press firmly. Gently slide the blade downwards to unhook it from the J-hook or pin-type connector while supporting the arm. If the arm snaps back, hold it to prevent windshield impact. Inspect the mounting point for corrosion or bent metal and straighten or clean as needed. Keep replacement blades and adapters nearby for a smooth transition into installation. Match the new blade adapter to the wiper arm type and slide it into place until you hear a secure click. Double-check the locking mechanism and tug lightly to confirm it is seated. Lower the arm slowly to avoid slamming the blade onto glass. Turn on the wipers and run them with washer fluid to check for streaks or skipping, then adjust or reseat blades if necessary for even pressure and smooth travel.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.